Hello everybody, Kilgorox Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you some secrets in Case Clickle. This is in the updated version, and you do not need any wrap or case bucks for these secrets. So, the fourth secret, many of you are familiar with, but for those of you who aren't, it's the Waterfall Badge. See, I just got the Waterfall Badge, and then there's a little room that I did not find in my last video, and here is this. There's a place, there's a door, you can jump in the lava and die if you want to. What, oh my gosh, I had to face. What the heck, did you see that? That is so weird. I do not know how that happened. That is really cool. Okay, so the second secret is the top of the waterfall. So, to get to the top of the waterfall, you need to, and this is very simple, all you need to do is to go in the waterfall. Just jump in and remain stationary. You kind of have to hit spacebar a little bit, but you slowly rise up. You can make it go faster by pressing up, but it might take a minute, but like pretty quick. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know why that happened. Okay, we're really close to the top. Like I said, it takes a while, but it's worth it to get to the top of the waterfall. You can actually press W to kind of speed it up. That's what I'm doing right now. Then so you're at the top, you have to jump, and then you can get here. It's like a little place, there's a bridge, and then that's like all you see if you just like go out and take a glance. But if you come this way, there's a cave, and if you go in it, this happens. That's what happens. You die. Another glitch. Did you see that? I had like the weird body thing. Okay. So now, the third secret is getting to the water. Now, some of you may have glitched yourself into it, but there is actually a pretty reliable way to do it. So you have to go up this ladder, jump up here, go up the ladder again, go up the ladder once more, go up the ladder again, and again. So many ladders. And again. Okay, finally. Now, you spam jump. This actually takes a few tries, but if you spam jump enough, you get to this ledge, And if you spam jump even more, I just hold it in, you can get to this other ledge. It actually takes a few tries, but it is possible. I've done it before. And then if you're successful, you get to this ledge. There's some space. And the wall is like right here. So you really have to glitch yourself. Oh, that was a fail. That was such a fail. But maybe I can... Oh, you can easily go up this one. Okay. Then you jump. And then you jump off onto this. You get in the water. Sometimes, since you're in like a kind of restricted area, you may fall through the water and die. But if this works, then you can get to the golden statue. You sadly can't get like that close to him, but it's still pretty cool if you like are able to get here. So the only thing that's left to really show you is a code. So if you type in that, you get a... Whoa, that's expensive. Oh, wait. You gotta do a wriggle. You can equip it. It's an extremely cool mesh. It looks weird since I don't have a skin equipped. But it's really cool. And unlike most of the meshes, it will save when you rebirth, since it's a code item. So, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, comment down below for more Case Clickle videos. See you.